In this video, we show how to replace a Riser F2B in a PowerEdge M7725. Before working inside your system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information or support about the PowerEdge M7725, visit dell.com support. To begin, first remove the system cover and the front cover. To remove the F2B riser, start by disconnecting the DLC tubes and keep one of the tubes away. Open the cable holder, remove the tube and keep it away. Now disconnect the riser cables. Remove the cables from the cable holder brackets. Pull the blue latch on the riser to disengage from the slot and lift the riser along with the cables. To install the F2B riser, make sure that the riser latch is unlocked, align and gently lower until it is firmly seated. Push the riser latch to the lock position. Insert the cables into the cable holders. And reconnect them. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com support.